Hello. I have a really bad breakout here and here. Yeah. So yeah. Hi guys. Hello. You said I know. I'm just gonna live now and then I'll live on it later. Sailor song. Okay, let's do Sailor song. I just wanted to live now, guys. Pero I'm gonna live again later. Don't worry. Sailor song. Hi guys, how are you? Bati na kayo ni PLDT. Tingnan natin kung hindi ako lag today. How are you guys? My hair's so messy. I didn't do my hair today. Kasi wala lang, para rest. Kasi sobrang dry ng buhok ko eh. So I did it naman. Quick live lang to. I was thinking of wearing a beanie. But, I don't know, baka mukha akong robber. Mark, ang galing ng bestie mo, grabe. Why are you sad? I'm not sad. Do I look sad ba? Kakagising ko lang from a nap ba? That's why medyo red pa yung eyes ko. But I'm okay, guys. It's my last night in Iloilo. So, uwi na ako actually mamaya. Kasi yung flight ko mamaya, it's 5 a.m. So, aalis ako sa bahay ng 3. So, mamaya na. Ano po yung mga album na nakapaskil sa wall ng condo mo? It's Folklore, Evermore, Tortured Poets Department, and Midnights ni Taylor Swift. And then the others is Coldplay, Yellow, A Sparks. Oy, bestie, I miss you. See you tomorrow, few hours na lang. Coldplay, and then I have The Record by Boy Genius, and then I have what else do I have? And then Stick Season by Noah Khan. Yun yung nasa album rotation ko ngayon. Sorry guys, ang haggard ko ngayon. I just woke up. I didn't do my hair. I miss you, bestie ko. Nicole! Grabe, 3-month subscriber! Guys, you know, diba nanonood ako ng mga videos of live streamers who sings. I really wish I could sing, guys. Grabe. Guys, if I can sing, wala na. Uwi na silang lahat. Julia, ang galing mo. You're so good. You are so good. Thank you for doing my requests, ha. Guys, follow Julia. Siya yung live streamer na sinan ko pinina sa discussion channel. You should follow her. She's so good. Ang aga. No, I'm quick live lang to. Para magla-live ulit ako ng 10. Lag ba? Have a safe flight. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Von Zygos reposted. Uy. Thank you, Von. Excited na akong umuwi ng Manila. Third wheel ka na naman pag uwi mo. I know. Actually, guys, pag uwi ko, 5th wheel talaga ako because yung susundo sa akin is Bella and si Mo, yung boyfriend niya. And then, magbe-breakfast date kami. Me, Gel and Hero, Bella, and Mo. So, yeah. Magkikita kami ni Sai at night, though. Can't wait for you to open the gifts when you get home. Me too, I'm so excited. Magla-live talaga ako, guys. I'm gonna open all your gifts. Sama mo rin si Sai. He can't kasi if ever sasama siya, that means aalis siya ng Bulacan, like, aalis siya ng Bulacan ng 4 or 5 a.m. Eh, ako naman nagigising siya. So, I'll see him at night na. Miss ko rin ni Noah Omsi. Miss ko din siya. Are you going to sleep pa ba later? Actually, feel ko hindi na ako matutulog kasi baka di na ako gigising. I-surprise ka niya, malay mo. Parang may alam kayo ah. Parang may alam kayo. Is I gonna surprise me? Let me know. Annie, hi Wacky Rat. Hello. Fucking clean. Feel ko may alam kayo na hindi nyo sinasabi sa Maling Mau. Let's do Gracie. Do you guys know Where Do We Go Now by Gracie? So good. Wacky, what's your college course name? HRM. Nika! Thank you, Nika. Nika mapuli. Nako. Sama kami sa susundo. Gusto nyo ba? Lahat kayo susundo sa akin sa airport. Tapos paglabas ko sa airport, para akong K-pop idol, no? Ang feeling! Joke lang, guys. Wag na, wag na. No cameras, please. Ang atake of Sim. Tapos tapos you guys take pictures of me and I'm doing this. Fantasy, gago. Gawin kaya natin, guys. Help me live my fantasy. Joke. Denise, thank you. Parang si Mingyu lang, no? Mingyu, miss na kita. Ipapasara namin yung Elsa bukas. Sige nga. Nika, thank you. Kailan ko uwi? Mamaya. Yung flight ko 5 AM. Nakapack ka na, Dad? No. You know what's so funny? Diba, I was in Iloilo for 3 weeks. Hindi ako nag-unpack ever. Sobrang baboy. Like, kinukuha ko na lang yung damit ko sa luggage. Kasi like, I don't know, for me, I'm gonna unpack everything, lagay ko sa, sa closet, tapos ipack ko ulit. I'm so tamad. Napansin ako ni Gel, sana mapansin mo rin ako. Hi Kate, hello! Patorpulin ka namin. Ako yung magtutorpulin sa inyo. I miss you, Tubbs. Wacky, let's go to Cubics. I don't have friends here. I'm from Manila din. Sayang, I'm leaving na. Favorite from Good Riddance? Yeah, this is my favorite from Good Riddance. This and I Should Hate You. Thank you, Archer. I love you. Tinagyang ta. Guys, I'm going to go to Sinulog. If you don't know pala, my friends and I will have a meet and greet. It's gonna be may tumatawag. Sorry, my sister. But yeah, I will see you guys in Cebu. We're gonna be there for Sinulog. We're gonna have a meet and greet. You know, actually guys, ayoko ng term ng meet and greet. Parang sino ba ako? Ano lang, like bonding so we can hang out. Wacky, I'm doing a thirst trap. I'm doing a thirst trap edit of you posts for me. Sige nga. Wait lang. Sure, try. You can't skip the skip the bridge. Oh, wait lang. Wait lang. After all the time, give a natural try. Sing with me, guys. Sing with me. You know I changed overnight. I can't blame you for fighting. I'd be losing my mind. You lived in your hiding. Cause I'm hard for myself here without you. You're the best in my life and I lost you. And we had no control when it fell through. It was one-sided hate how I hurt you. Okay, ito. Sorry, my sister's calling me. Ready? I'm gonna thirst trap now. Feeling? I think my sister keeps calling me kasi ready na yung dinner. Oh my God! Putang ina! Oh my guys, I'm never coming home again. I'm never going back to Iloilo. Oh my God, ang laki! Gago, buti uuwi ako mamaya. Tumitingin ka sa akin. Inaway. Inaway yung spider. Oh, it's moving, bro! I hate spiders. I hate it. I hate spiders so much. Like I'd rather, I don't know, I hate spiders.
Okay. Hey, haven't I seen
Wait,
this podcast episode
my
titled?
podcast. I can still see it, bro. Gagi. Buti uuwi na ako mamaya. Hello? Wala akong problema sa'yo. Joke lang yan. Nagjo-joke lang ako. Wait lang, kunin ko lang yung stuff ko. Baka kasi papasok siya sa mga damit ko. Wait lang ah. Wait, guys. Baka papasok pa siya sa luggage ko, no? And then she's gonna... She, my pronouns yung spider. And then it's gonna follow me to Manila. No fucking way. No way, bro. I'm taking all my stuff from the table. Wait. Kagi, I hate spiders. Yun yung number one pinaka-hate ko. Spiders and the Marcoses. Okay, we're good. Puta, bro. Okay, we're back. Wait. We could meet down the line after all of the time and give an actual try. 'Cause I can promise you like it. I know I changed overnight. What's a nice song? You can't blame me for fighting, and I'll be losing my mind if you lived in your hiding. 'Cause now I'm half of myself here without you. Si Fiagi. That's what I'll name the spider, si Fiagi. Fiagi ko! Best by Gracie. I miss that song, dude. That song makes me cry. By the way, guys, I'm gonna end in 5 minutes kasi ready na pala yung dinner kaya may tumatawag sa akin. After this song, I'll end. Hi, Waki. I thought 10 p.m. No, quick live lang to. I just wanted to live. Pero I'm gonna live again mamayang 10. Sorry, I keep looking to see if the spider's there. Baka... I hate spiders. Mamaya nasabihin, ay yung dito lang eh. Yung dito. Ay yung spider dun. Please, wag naman. Felt hard, I felt good. Let's skip to the bridge actually. Different, you were so sensitive, gave me the best of me. I was so negligent, terrible about how I handled it. And now I know that you resent all of me. So good, I love music. I know, guys, don't scare me. I'm gonna move my luggage tuloy. Someone's knocking. Who is it kaya? Gulatin na.
Oh. Hi.
Dinner?
Yeah, dinner.
Okay. There's a spider so big.
Where?
Like behind my thing. Like I have to move all my stuff. That's why I'm moving my luggage now. Can you help me?
What?
It's so big. Like
Oh,
gigantic. Oh, eh.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Bye, guys. Bye. I'm gonna eat dinner. I'm gonna live at 10, okay? I love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.